Hey everyone, it's Tiffany. In today's video I'll be showing you guys this new wig that I got from Tinashe Hair. It is their 22-inch 5x5 closure wig. As you can see, the color is brown, but it does have a blonde stripe in the front. I'll be showing you guys how I applied the wig from start to finish. It was real simple and easy. If you like today's video, please make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, please make sure to hit that subscribe button. Also, don't forget to let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of this new color. Now we're about to get into me styling my hair. Y'all already know I don't know how to do cornrows or anything like that, so I'll just be putting my hair into plaits. Using my Got To Be Free spray to lay the wig cap. Even though it's a closure wig, I still decided to lay the whole entire wig cap. It comes with 3 combs, and it also has an adjustable strap just so you can make it tighter. This is what the wig looks like on. The hairline already came pre-plucked, and here I'm just combing the hair, and then I'm laying the wig with the Got To Be Free spray. I really like using the spray instead of the glue because I feel like anytime that I use the glue, once I take the wig off, I have a really hard time getting rid of all the glue on my forehead as well as the lace, and sometimes it would even rip my hair out in the front, like all my little baby hairs. So that's why I'll always use the spray instead. And here's a band that they had sent me so I can make sure that my wig is always flat. So this is what the wig looks like without the baby hair. I must say I'm really loving the color of this wig. Here I'm just adding some hairspray to the top just to make sure that there are no flyaways. And then I'm just going to do some baby hair. To give it a more natural look, I decided to pluck some of the hair out that's behind the baby hair. Now that I'm done with all that, I just decided to go over the hair with the flat iron again. Let me know in the comment section down below what you guys think of it, but this is the finished look, and I must say I really loved this new color on me. I really love working with Tinashe Hair just because their wigs are high quality. I'll make sure to put all of the links in the description box down below, but yeah, y'all, this is their 22-inch 5x5 brown wig that they have on their website. If you guys are interested in any of the wigs that I've shown you guys on my YouTube channel, make sure to direct message me on Instagram at lacefrontwig because I have way too many wigs. As always, Berry Squad, I really appreciate y'all support, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys. Bye.